when you're singing, there is just this problem of not having enough space on the inside of your mouth that plagues all singers, and we have to find out how to get more space on the insides of our mouths so the sound is more beautiful and high notes are easier. And I have these balloons here. So take one of these. The tricky part about this expansive state we are hoping to achieve is it's weird. It's not a thing you would try to achieve at any other time in life that I can think of. And so it's not like saying, oh, in piano, I'm like, have a rounded hand shape. It looks like this. And you can see what my hand looks like and you can copy. Well, you can't see my larynx. You can't see the back of my pharynx either. So I can't just say, do it like this, and you know what to do. So somehow I have to describe sensations to you that I feel and hope that the words I'm using describe the sensations that you should be feeling too. But it won't always happen that way because we have two different bodies and two different minds. So I just have to keep like throwing spaghetti at the wall till I say, till I can say something or do an exercise that will help you find the sensation, and then like stick a label on the sensation so you can remember it for later when you're singing. This is one example I like to use. So we're going to blow up the balloon as much as we can, and then while the balloon is still inside of our mouths, we have to let go so the air rushes inside of our mouths. Don't laugh, this is real.
All right, sorry.
Just remember you're paying me to make you do this. Okay, here we go. Which brings me so much joy. A grown adult. Here we go. Woo! So did you feel the air rush down your throat?
Oh, I just let it go into my cheeks. Like a chipmunk.
Okay.
I'll try again.
Well, when you... Okay, yeah, do it again.
Okay, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
So do you feel the air pushing against the tissues in your throat and your cheeks, like making a more expansive shape?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So now without the balloon involved, just using your brain, can you try to achieve that same sensation? So you can think of yawning,
Yeah, yawning does it.
or stretching open, or imagine like for some reason you have to be able to squeeze this like baseball down your throat. So just that feeling of opening. So do you have some adjectives to describe what sensations you're feeling?
It kind of feels like I'm stretching my
Yes.
throat.
Yes.
Yeah.
Those are perfect words. Good.
Cool.
So now all you have to do is do that again, but also sing at the same time.
Okay.
And
Cool.
all your problems will be solved.